Royals, it's your girl Event Queen coming at you in another video. I'm going to attempt to make a balloon Christmas tree. Everybody has been talking about this new balloon Christmas tree, so I'm going to attempt to design one for you guys today. So come along with me for the journey. So I have a smaller inch Christmas tree, 7 feet, and I bought this Christmas tree at Canadian Tire. Put down the base, and we're gonna assemble it. So guys, everybody is adding balloons to their Christmas tree. So I decided to design my own. So don't judge me, this is my way of doing it. I've never done it before. So this is my way of doing it. And then we're gonna attempt to put the top on. So I chose this tree because it's nice and skinny, and I think it'll look a lot better with the balloons on it. Now for the floor, this is an older tablecloth that I used to use for my table, so I decided to use it as a skirt for around my Christmas tree, and it matches the colors that I'm going to be using. We're going to be going with some rose gold on our tree. We're going to be using rose gold balloons. So this is 11 inch, and this here is the 5 inch. And we're going to be using the Lux Gold. And this is also 11 inch. So the ornaments, we'll be adding that on at the end. So let's get started. See, the color matches the skirt that I have around the Christmas tree. So it doesn't matter the size, you can just use whatever size you want for your Christmas tree balloon design. It's totally up to you, okay? Tying it together. First. So guys, I'm just pre-blowing everything, and then we're going to start designing the tree with the balloons, okay? It's a lot easier this way for me. So I'm just doing different sizes. There's no rules to however you want to hang your balloons on your tree. The sizes, just hang it how you want to hang them. See, this is the 5 inches and the 11 inch, okay? Okay, Royals, so we love all these balloons. I hope it's enough. We have more if it's not, but I just want to blow up exactly how much I need. So we're going to continue now to add our clusters onto the tree. There's another simple way that we can also do this. You guys, I only have the silver 160, okay? So it's okay because you're not really going to see it in the tree. But you can use the green ones, or they even have clear, or the color of the balloon that you're using. So I'm tying both ends. My cluster. A lot tighter if you do it that way. So there's no right or wrong way how to do this. You just do it to however you feel comfortable and make it fun. You can do it with the kids. Just make it a family night. I'm in my onesies, I'm comfortable, and we're just designing a tree. So this, because we're using good quality balloons, this tree should last for a good month or two. Cluster. So it looks like this, okay? I'm trying to just do the smaller one. So we're just adding on this side. I'm just molding our tree. We're gonna put the smaller 5-inch balloons at the top. Okay, so Royals, we're just going to now put the smaller balloons at the very top and just try to fill in these areas here and then just add our ornaments, okay? So remember, we started off with just a regular skinny Christmas tree and we just added the balloons and worked our way up, okay? So I cheated by using a regular Christmas tree. It was a skinny one that I bought at Canadian Tire, and I just decided to use this for the frame. A lot of people start their balloon Christmas tree from scratch without actual using a Christmas tree underneath. I've never done this before, first time, so I decided just to use the actual Christmas tree frame and then work my way around it. Okay, so make it your own, enjoy, have fun. There is no right or wrong way. So I don't want anybody to comment saying, oh, I'm doing it wrong, because I'm doing it right in my eyes, okay? I'm doing it right in my eyes. There's no wrong or right way to put up a Christmas ornament, and there is no wrong place to place your Christmas tree. So you just, everybody design the look that they're looking for. So just make this fun. Like I said, include the kids. You let me know how it went in the comments. And I'm just adding balloons to 5 inches. And remember, Royals, this is a 7-foot tree, and I purchased this tree years ago at Canadian Tire. It's not a sponsor. Okay, I just tell you where I got it from. I got it from Canadian Tire. The balloons and the sizes, I'll add it in the description down below. So I'm just doing clusters and adding them on for the final touches. Royals, please like, subscribe. There's gonna be a lot of Christmas DIYs that I'll be doing. So I want you guys to be a part of that. We'll be doing a lot of things in the kitchen. So I'll be doing some cook with me, a lot of little decor here and there. Also, my birthday's coming up, so I'm gonna also be doing videos on how I set up for my birthday. Don't forget to subscribe and like, thumbs up, okay? All right, so here we go. I'm gonna add up here. It's looking good so far, guys. Okay, so I'm just gonna add another one on this side. You're just resting the bling on any grooves that you find. Okay. Rest it. So that bag of mesh, guys, it was $65. And just make sure when you cut it so that you can reuse it for other projects, because this will look really nice to put around your vase for Christmas time. And I can also do a video on that for you. That'll be a really nice look. Okay, so guys, just add in the bling, the empty spots. And there you go. Yay, we're finished. And this is our balloon Christmas tree, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Blessings.